Gaat die lekker?
Ja hoor.
Morning exercise. Top, top. It's a new week with some new plans, right, Dirk? Our plans of the week are, we decided to leave Wednesday, Nelson. Then we're here almost like 3 weeks, and Loki will be missing then for like 2 weeks, Finn for 1.5. I think we wanted to leave. Not that we wanted to leave the cats behind, but it's time. What else is on the planning? So when we're leaving on Wednesday, we probably go to Trail, where a friend of us grew up. He texted us like, oh, if you're in the neighborhood, you should just come and visit my parents. They want to have you over for dinner. And we will probably be in the Trail, Rossland, what is it, Grand Forks, Osoyoos area for this week. We are looking forward to move again. We also almost ran out of water.
We know that we can fill water in Cascar. That's what
we know that on our way to Trail, we can fill water for free and dump our water for free in Castlegar. So why would we pay $10 at a campground here when we know that we can get it for free? The downside is that these next 2 days we still have to do with a quarter or less tank water. We did dishes yesterday, so that helps. But we didn't take a shower for like, this is day 6. We're going to do that today though, because I will show you what our like awesome idea is. So we have an outdoor shower. It's a a black bag with a little shower hat, and we filled it there in the lake, and now we hang it here. It's now in the shade, but the sun will be here pretty soon and it will warm up. And we have like a little secret, or I mostly have a little secret, and not that I'm not proud of, but what we do, especially when you have bangs, it gets greasy very fast. I have this, don't know if you can see it, dry shampoo. It's the worst, it's the most chemical ever, but oh, it works. It is dry shampoo and outdoor showers for us. Smoothie bowl with granola, homemade bread with cheese and egg, and coffee. Hey, krullenbol. Huh?
We have been at a walking clinic today so that Ilke can have her checkup and to get a referral for blood work that had to be done. I think the major one there was for diabetes, pregnancy diabetes. And now we're back. We have rain and sunshine.
So I am clean, and Dirk is now kind of trying to get clean. As you can see, we just dropped our shower, unfortunately.
Well, we didn't drop it.
Well, the string,
The rope, yeah.
the rope, the string, it was more a string, broke. And now, I don't know, you can see the shower hat is barely giving any water, so we did something very great.
just came out of Play It Again Kids.
It's like a second-hand baby store, and we bought a baby bassinet for $27.
That's pretty nice.
And now we're going to transport this on our scooter.
Yeah. Just to give you a size comparison. It's almost as long as the scooter, so we'll see how that goes.
I'm going to try to hold it, but I'm not sure if it's going to work out.
This is slow mode. We're going uphill. Very slow.
In the basket. This is what we've been doing. We printed out some posters and put them in plastic wrap, and we're going to hang them on poles. Even when we're gone, maybe the cats will come back like this and somebody will give us a call.
I'm collecting some flowers together with Ilka so that we can make something nice for our farewell ceremony for our cats. We are moving today, so that means that we'll have to clean up everything, get everything travel ready.
So we're going to say goodbye to our cats. Yeah, we feel that it's a good idea to just have some sort of goodbye ritual. So out of this, I'm going to try to make, like, how you call it, a wreath or something. It's hard to pronounce for me, but you will see the end result, and we will probably throw it here in the lake and say some great stuff about them.
So now we're going to head to Trail to meet Justin's parents.
Yeah, it's kind of weird to leave a place after
Such a long
almost 3 weeks. We didn't expect to stay so long, but of course it's because of the cats. And earlier we were very sad. But I think now we said, well, goodbye. So hopefully we can have a little bit of closure.
Yeah.
Right?
We'll see how that goes.
Yeah. Okay, start the beast. If it still wants to drive. And now we're for one night at a campground because we really want to have electricity so that our batteries will get completely full again. After 3 weeks of boondocking, they never get really completely full, which can be a problem. In the end, you can destroy a battery, which we don't want to. We are invited to parents of a friend of us. We're going to do a barbecue there, which is super awesome, and so we're going to make a little dessert, an ice cream pie. Never made it before, but it will be very easy and probably nice and delicious.
Roseland, and we are going to take today a car because Justin's mom gave us her car.
Look how small the car is compared to the beast.
So we are at Mountain Nugget. We got a chocolate bar, sriracha salt, and a honeycomb ice cream scoop and hazelnut. So weird.
Doesn't it look yummy?
Mm-hmm.
We keep on spending money even though we don't have it. So we just decided that we probably have to just drive straight to Vancouver Island. We cannot travel anymore because we love this way more.
Food is important.
Yeah.
We are at Christina Lake, and we finally got our cat outside because she was begging so much to get out. We are having her on a harness. She acts as if she, I don't know, as if she's glued to the ground or so. We haven't used this thing in a year because after a while we realized we could let the cats out, but since what happened to the last two, we are a little bit more cautious, especially since we're only staying a night here.
Section of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know me. But when we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into.
Derek is such a good driver. I don't know how we managed it yesterday to get backwards in. As you so many plans. Dirk, de deur. Ik kom omheen. Ik kom er ook niet naar de andere kant omheen. Oké.
Ga opzij, joh.
Ach, chive Nederlander.
Ja, je rijdt dan niet midden op de straat.
Jawel, je doet wel.
Ik misschien, omdat ik een plek heb.
We are on our way to Osoyoos, and the landscape is unexpectedly beautiful. What do you think, Eric?
Yeah, I like it. It's really nice.
It's really nice.
It's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. I don't know. We were so fan of the Rockies, and we thought, oh, these Kootenays and Okanagan. Probably not as interesting as the beautiful Rocky Mountains, but wow, it's so green and it's hilly, and now you start to see vineyards and whew, nice.
We arrived at our boondocking spot in Osoyoos. It's yeah, it's free and it's easy to get to, but look at all the garbage here. It always amazes us how people can just throw away all kind of stuff. So this is not even 5 minutes of collecting, right?
No, and I need another bag. This is horrible. It's all like McDonald's and bottles, and people are just fucking lazy. Check this out. I found like a whole bunch of car papers and insurance certification papers. This is kind of weird, right? We feel like somebody actually stole a car and just placed this and threw this up here. It's insane. But tell you, just 1 meter around the RV, I found this. Hey, come on.